Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today, basically, we were just mowing grass and we got a phone call out of the blue for a mechanic shop that wanted some stuff picked up around their dumpsters. So that's what today's video is about. So hopefully you enjoy the video. All right guys, we got the truck loaded up. I was mowing lawns, so I had to kind of finesse everything on there. Then they want this machine, but this thing is full of oil on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a ton of oil, so I gave them another price for that because I can't just be taking this full thing full of oil. I was gonna just flip it on the trailer, but that would be a disaster, so we're waiting on a response from that. So in the last clip, we took away all those pallets and everything from around the dumpster, and there was a big machine that had oil in it, which we did not take because I said we cannot take it because it has too much oil in it and I cannot properly dispose of that. So they actually said they are going to empty it of the oil and they're gonna give us $150 to take that machine away, which it's made out of metal, so it's basically just scrap metal. We're gonna go get that machine and then we're gonna take it to the property. All right guys, I just got here. There is the machine. They emptied the oil out of it. So I brought a couple pieces of wood. This thing's on wheels, so hopefully we can just slide it right up. All right guys, so it didn't roll up there as easy as we thought, but we got it on the trailer. So it's just a good idea to always make sure you're ready to haul stuff at any time. So the pallets I actually kept, I put them on the property. The other like trash that was there, I just threw away at the dump. And then that machine, I actually plugged it in, it doesn't turn on, but I think I can probably sell it to somebody who wants to maybe fix it or whatever. I found that with machines like that, there's always somebody interested in fixing them or whatever they do with them, I don't know, but I might be able to sell it. Basically, it was cool. Today we were just out mowing lawns and we happened to get that call and it was pretty simple. Thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. We'll see you guys next time.